Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you the rain from a tropical depression called, I think it's Nepal or something. Nicole, I don't know, but yeah. Right now I'm in a car, but I'm going outside and show you. All this rain here. Look at the it's flooding, kind of. All through along here. Yeah. Look up in the sky. It's raining. Oh, I slipped on a stick. A what stick? Yeah. It's raining cats and dogs. Look at that. It means it's raining. It's raining very. It's raining very hard. So like and subscribe if you wanna do another video if you want. No. Oh, I got way better. Just watch the outside. Okay. Here. Just gonna open it. Stir it. The water. Dude, it's Hurricane Ian's gone. This is my job. Yeah, Hurricane Ian's gone. But yet, a tropical depression comes and follows Ian. Man, it's wet out. I mean, dude, you can see the bit behind me. Look at that. The water right there. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's either Nicole or Nepal. This depression is. Like and subscribe, guys, and bye.